So, you're planning to travel, but you don't know what to bring. Yeah, I've been there too. That is why preparing a checklist is essential for travelers. Most of the time, we as a traveler feel that no matter how well prepared we are, we always forget something, such as a phone charger, a wallet, or worse, your passport. I want to share with you the basic travel checklist and preparation before leaving for the trip. Passport. One of the most important travel documents you need in traveling. Take note of your passport's expiration date. Some countries require you to hold a passport that will still be valid for 6 months after your intended departure date. To ensure a hassle-free travel, make sure that your passport won't expire before you leave your destination. Aside from your passport, don't forget to bring visa. If there is any, be sure to have your visa when traveling to Korea, except when you have a direct flight to Jeju, as Jeju Island is visa-free for Filipinos. Travel insurance. This is highly recommended. Accommodation voucher. Your round-trip ticket. Either print out or save a copy to your phone. For traveling Filipino children,
for minors,
or minors below 18 years old must secure a DSWD issued clearance if traveling alone or accompanied by a person other than his or her parents to a foreign country. For government employees, be sure to have with you your travel authority and approved leave of absence, such as this one. The immigration officer may check on it. What's happening? Whoa! Aside from travel documents, don't forget to include these necessities in your checklist to get the most of your trip. Wallet. This is rarely forgotten, but it could be devastating if you did. Also, try to research the technicalities of the amount you're going to bring depending on the country that you visit. Like in Korea. Did you know that the Korean currency is called won? A Filipino can bring a maximum of 50,000 pesos outside the country. In addition to custom regulation, including the max of 50,000 pesos, a traveler can only bring a maximum limit or equivalent to 10,000 US dollars. Phone and charger. Can't imagine life without them. Hold on. I think you're getting bored. So I'll make this quick. Bring an adapter. Take note that different countries have different power outlets, so make sure to research and bring the right adapter. Maps can be very confusing and difficult to understand. That is why we can download them online through our phones instead. A pen. At least bring 1 or 2 pens to quickly fill up forms such as pre-departure, arrival, and customs declaration forms without waiting for the others to finish. Jacket. No matter where you go, jackets are still handy to bring along sometimes. Phone or camera, because Instagram, and also to take photos and notes of what captures your interest while traveling to different places. Toiletries, also must have. Sunscreen is optional. An umbrella, always handy. But first, check the weather online to know if you need an umbrella or not. In fact, you can actually just buy it from the country you visit. Why, you ask? Because you may never know. The weather is quite unpredictable these days. Spare plastic bags. Trust me on this one. You don't want your laundry get mixed up with your brand new clothes. Bring your headphones and prepare your playlist because this is going to be a long flight. So sit back and relax. Bring a book or a gadget to play to keep you company. Oh, and one last thing to keep in mind, be at the airport at least 3 hours before the flight. Why, you ask? Because not only you will worry about the traffic, but also the process at the airport, like long queues for ticket, boarding pass, your baggage, and especially the immigration. Now, do you understand why you have to be 3 hours early? Oh, just right on time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget the checklist I mentioned earlier, especially to be at the airport at least 3 hours before the flight. Or you may forget everything I've said, but never ever forget your passport. Goodbye.